All the hikes with my low weight.
Oh, wow. Amora.
Which one do you want to play with? Is it getting a little skinny around here, or is it just me? Because that diet, look at that. My pancita's gone.
How many pounds have you lost?
50.
50 pounds, you guys.
What, 310 to 260? Going? Yeah. Alright, love it.
There's like so many butterflies and dragonflies. So beautiful. Those are not grapes, baby. They are seed. You could go in there.
Book me at any parties. I do weddings. I do chichi shoots.
Mm-hmm.
Look at it.
That's what they train the police dogs. Straight
I
ahead.
know, big ass fucking dogs come running over here.
That's scary.
You're not trained yet, right? So good training.
Look at them legs. If you ever do anything to me, my man will just kick you to the other side of the country. This acid like a stallion. You want to be my little pony? Mr. Megan the Stallion over here.
Javier the stallion.
Javier the
Get it
Stallion.
right.
You guys hear the crickets or bugs? You can blur out the back. That's so cool.
Didn't they can do that?
No, how do you do that? We have 2 videos. She says she sees a hippo in the jungle.
Okay.
How? The people, there go people.
With ping pong? Ping pong? We're on the search for ping pong. She's tiptoeing in the jungle. She said, walking in the jungle, walking in the...
What's sister's hand? Hurry. There we go.
Woo!
Alright, how about this? Hold my hand right. Hold my hand.
We're off to see the wizard. The wizard of Oz.
Alright, a little slow. 20 minutes coming up here took an hour.
We can't do the full hike. It'll take another hour.
Are you ready?
So he got the backpack. He got the girls. Get you
Let me carry you now.
one of the big boys. I want a big boy. I need a big boy. And then he's gonna carry me with that hand. How it?
Carry you like this.
Yeah. The sun, guys. We have to leave the hike because we are going somewhere right now, so we can't. We changed up. I just put some jeans, have my boots still. My baby changed up in his outfit. Hop it. Ready to go. I was born like this. With big feet. You still love me, but I had big
Let me see
feet.
sideways.
I'm gonna change into these boots, but I'm just gonna leave my Doc Martens. I've been having these boots for years. I've taken them hiking and everything, and they're still so good. They're so comfy. Hi. Hi. No. Okay. He got me a corn dog, vanilla, French vanilla coffee, and then the girls, we got them. What did we get them?
Egg rolls.
More stinky. She's faking it.
Look how big this looks on me. This is Xavier's jacket.
It's cute.
That looked funny.
She looks good.
What are you hearing?
Somebody's talking on the phone.
Oh.
Looks cute. Looks like an oversized t-shirt, but like a jacket.
Leave it like Obang. And when I'm on.
It's weird because I just
We get 20 tacos, 10 each and 10 each.
need a big boat.
Yeah, forget about that diet I was talking about earlier. Eres chita?
Nobody else but me. Let's show you what you're asking for. A little bitch, I'm right here. It's so cold in here. We just got back. We're about to eat. It's 9:48 p.m. We're gonna eat and go to sleep. Because tomorrow we're gonna wake up early.
Morning hike.
Go upstairs. I'm taking Amora with me upstairs because they're fighting. So we separated them. We just got done eating. I'm freaking exhausted. And then Xavier stayed with Araya, putting dishes away. Our jammies for your sister. Her diaper. Other diaper. She's downstairs with Daddy. They fight, but they cannot be apart from each other. Bessie, Bessie, Bessie. She just ran away. Come here. She's so crazy. Oh, you guys.
And Rocky can talk.
No, he can't talk. What does the dog do?
That said no go to trainers, Waka.
Oh, don't go with strangers?
Yeah.
So Waka doesn't go with strangers, huh? Do
No.
you go with strangers? No, because why? What happens?
On my feet.
They hurt your feet. Mm-hmm. Yeah, good job. Smart girl. High five.
Double A's.
tomorrow. Can you check?
Drag it down.
I'm
here.
taking out the girls' clothes for tomorrow because we're going on an early morning hike. So we just want to have their clothes ready. What's the weather like tomorrow, babe? Can you check?
Tomorrow is Wednesday. It's gonna be 99.
You serious?
No, it's gonna be 80.
Oh, I was like, this is
Gotcha.
okay.
Yeah, we'll go for a walk. I don't want to give them false hopes. Let me see. Let me take your shirt off. Let's put a clean one. Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands down.
Lay down in your bed. Yes, you can lay down. They don't want to go to bed. They have so much energy. I'll read you guys a book so you guys can go to made us. The animal. What is this?
A giraffe. Yeah, I said.
This?
Yes, a zebra. You can hear me.
Porcupine. This?
Baby turtle.
Baby turtle. And this?
A book.
Bird. This?
Oh.
Sloth. That's a sloth. Good night, night. I'm gonna start taking off my makeup. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna take off my eyeliner, mascara, and lipstick. And take a shower. A lot of people are wondering if we're gonna have more kids, and no, we are done. 2 baby girls. People are like, what about the boy? It's okay, we are good. We already got, if they're gonna want a quinceañera, you know, girls want their hair done, their nails done, dresses, high heels. We got 2 girls back to back. So teen years, wish us the best of luck. I told Xavier we're just done with 2 baby girls and we are set, we are blessed, we are thankful. I don't see myself starting over, like being pregnant and starting over like with my postpartum journey. I'm still recovering from my last pregnancy. My last pregnancy was not an easy pregnancy, you guys. It was a tough pregnancy. Emotionally it was tough, physically it was tough. So I just don't want to go through that again. I'm barely getting better and it's like going back now. We are so excited because Xavier's brother, his oldest brother, is having a baby. He's having a boy, so that's gonna be different and new to all of us. So we're so excited. It's taking forever to take this makeup off. I'm about to hop in the shower. I just got out the shower. I did my face routine. I brushed my teeth, and then I'm drinking my tea, and then I usually have a straw in here too, but Xavier bought me this tea and he didn't bring a straw in. I don't feel like going downstairs to get a straw. Girls, they're so hyper. He's with them downstairs. They were crying in a room, so he's like, you know what, like, you shower and do what you gotta do and I'll be downstairs with them until they get more tired so they can go to sleep. I love reading the little quotes that the teas come with. This one says, master the unknown by knowing your deep self. That's deep. We're supposed to go on the morning hike tomorrow, and honestly, I don't know how the girls are gonna do, and they're still up. Like, guys, tea is so good. It's blueberry and something else. It's like a digestive tea. Doesn't have caffeine. It's actually, like, as much as I want to lay down and just knock out, I'm gonna go downstairs and help Xavier with the girls and see if they go to sleep, because they are so freaking, I hear them, they have a lot of energy right now. Some days they go to sleep early, some days they don't, as you guys can see. You know, they have their own little schedule. Where we went today, it was like a 30-minute drive. So on the way back home, they took a nap, so I feel like that's why they're up. That 30-minute nap, it was it. Like, nothing you can do because they're gonna fall asleep in the car either way. So that's why they're up, and hopefully they go to bed. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you watched the full video, I appreciate it. I send you guys many mermaid kisses. To everyone watching this video, that all your dreams, not your dreams, because I feel like when you have dreams, it's like it stays a dream, that all your goals get accomplished, that you reach every goal you have. Good night.